This video is going to demonstrate how to install a wooden Pitman arm onto a Singer flywheel. Flywheel's already been removed, and you can see it has the U-shape where the Pitman arm goes in. This point goes towards the inside of the machine, so it mounts like this. And on the Pitman arm, normally on the pedal there's a washer, and you can see it sometimes on them. You have a large round circular area like this one has. This will go to the outside, so basically we're going to lay that side down falling to the outside. It's always good to install how one was removed, just so any wear would be similar. Now when you take it apart, there's a screw in the end, and inside, I'll show them when I open it up, there's a crescent nut, and then a washer, and then another wood piece. So just basically unscrew it like a normal screw. That comes out. Then we have our crescent-shaped nut, followed by a washer, and then the other half of the fitting. So now you have a keyhole shape, and that basically just inserts over the arm and down and around, turning sideways, and then just slide it up into it. At this point, we take our little wooden block, insert it back into that slot, fit it in, and then we have a washer, crescent nut, and the screw. And you start to put the screw through it. Into the crescent-shaped nut. And then you'll see inside, it's a little tricky, inside here is where the pin comes through, the center of the pin. That needs to go through this center of this washer, so it doesn't split this wood piece. You just back the screw out a little bit, drops into place, and then we're in. And then you screw it down. You don't make it too tight, but you just want to snug it up so it's got some movement to it. So you're going to have some play. And you may want to leave it loose until it's installed so you can get the other end of the Pitman arm, slide it sideways onto the pedal. And the same thing, just unloosen that screw a little bit on this side and give yourself some room through this hole to insert it onto the foot pedal. And that's it. Easy enough.